Hello everyone, in today's quick tutorial I will show you the awesome way to localize your permission messages. So when you want to ask user for some permission, for example location, Bluetooth, cameras or something else, then you can add inside your info per list, you can add privacy location and use usage description. So I added the privacy location, and here you can add some message that user will see when the pop-up appears. However, right now I left this message empty, so as you can see in simulator there is no message below this message that is by system. And what you need to do actually is go to your project, add new file, find string file legacy, next, and name that file info per list, like you can see here, info per list, and create. I already did that, so I won't do that one more time. And here, when you make this file, you open this settings, this right side settings, and on localization you add another language. However, in order this to work, you need to also add to your project. So your project info, here you need to add localization. You need to add one more language because there was only English. When you add German, after that in your info per list string file, you just add check mark to other language, and you will now have two different info per list files for different languages. And now that's the easy part. We need to add custom message for our permission. In order to do that, go to your info per list file. Here you can see privacy location. Right click on this row keys. We need to find its row key value, copy paste this, and go to your info per list file and use that as a key. This is a key, and this is our message. For our message, I will just say we need location permission. I will now copy paste this, and into German file, here we will just say wir brauchen Standort permission. I don't know how to say permission in German. And after that, we can now try to run our project. As you can see here, there is no message. I will now run it one more time. Okay, just to clarify, I will remove this up and then run one more time. And now you will see we need location permission. So we have a custom message that is supplied by our project. I will try to show you that also in German. So I need settings here, settings, and where is language? So change language, continue, and try to run this one more time. As you can see now, our custom message is on German that we added inside our string file. So it is really simple thing to do, and basically that's it for this tutorial. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can find a lot more useful content about Swift UI, Swift iOS programming, and see you in the next video.